Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow lights in Roblox Studio. Implement color cycling with color 3 from HSV and change the hue value over time. Choose a small hue increment like 0.005 to keep transitions smooth. Use tween service for gentle fades or render stepped for immediate updates, depending on performance. Attach the script to the light object and test in play mode to confirm the colors flow evenly around the object. In this video, I will show how to make rainbow lights in Roblox Studio. Quick recommendation: if you want a smart personal finance read, try The Simple Path to Wealth for clear money advice and mindset shifts. It pairs oddly well with game dev discipline. Both reward steady, consistent effort. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make rainbow lights in Roblox Studio. Place lights to enhance key areas, but avoid cluttering the scene with too many sources. Use range and shadow settings to control impact and enable distance-based fade or lower brightness for distant lights. Optimize your script by updating colors at reasonable intervals and pooling lights when possible, which keeps frame rate stable while preserving the vibrant rainbow effect across your levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.